Have you ever seen green fuzz on old bread, or wondered what makes dough rise? Welcome to the secret world of fungi, nature's hidden recyclers. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms, meaning their cells have a nucleus. Unlike plants, they cannot make their own food and have cell walls made of chitin, not cellulose. Fungi share 4 key features. They feed on other organisms, have chitin walls, reproduce using spores, and most form thread-like hyphae that branch into a network called mycelium. Meet Rhizopus, the bread mold. Root-like rhizoids anchor it and absorb nutrients. Tall stalks called sporangiophores hold sporangia, dark capsules that release thousands of spores into the air. Bread mold reproduces in 2 ways. Asexually, spores germinate into new mycelium. Sexually, plus and minus strains fuse to form a tough zygospore, which later releases fresh spores. Yeast is a single-celled fungus that reproduces by budding, where a small daughter cell pinches off the parent. In bread and beer, yeast ferments sugar, releasing carbon dioxide and ethanol. Here is the fermentation equation. 1 glucose molecule becomes 2 ethanol molecules and 2 carbon dioxide molecules. The bubbles of CO2 are what cause your mama's bread to rise. A mushroom is just the fruiting body of a hidden mycelium underground. The cap shelters thin gills below, where millions of spores form and drop down to be carried by the wind. Spores germinate into primary mycelium. When 2 compatible strains meet, they fuse into secondary mycelium. This grows into the mushroom, where club-shaped basidia release new basidiospores. Common exam mistake. Many students call fungi plants because they don't move. Wrong. Fungi have no chlorophyll, no cellulose, and cannot photosynthesize. They absorb food from dead matter. Remember BYM. Bread mold decomposes food, yeast ferments sugar to make bread and beer, and mushroom recycles dead plants in the forest. Fungi keep our ecosystem alive. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make biology simple and fun. Visit ovasaabi.com today and ace your GCE.